Have you ever looked at your bank statement and thought, I spent how much on haircuts? Yeah, me too. For years, I loved splurging on a nice barber cut, but was it worth it? Welcome back to Frugal or Foolish Friday, where we decide if money-saving tips are genius or just plain silly. Today's topic, DIY haircuts. Let's break it down. I used to get my haircut every 4 to 5 weeks. That's about 12 haircuts a year. At $50 each, that's $600 a year for haircuts. I justified it because my barber was great. My hair always looked amazing. But then my hair started thinning, and one day I thought, what if I just give myself a buzz cut? I already had a beard trimmer, so I decided, let's just do this. So I started on the sides. It looked pretty good. Before shaving the top, I thought, let's see what I can do. I had watched my barber so many times, I had a good idea of what I could do. To my surprise, when I finished, it looked great. It looked so good, in fact, that my wife thought I actually went to the barber. That is when I decided, maybe I'll just start cutting my hair at home all the time. Let's talk about the numbers. If you need clippers and scissors, you're looking at about $100. For me, that means I would break even after just 2 haircuts and have an additional savings of $500 a year. Plus the time I saved driving to the barber and the money on gas. And honestly, now I can actually cut my hair more often, so I always have a fresh looking haircut. Now I won't lie, there is a learning curve. My first few cuts took a long time. Here are some tips you might find helpful if you're thinking about trying to do this yourself. First, start with simple styles and watch YouTube tutorials. They're great for this. Also, set up a mirror so you can see the back. That is actually the hardest part, but you'll get it. Take your time and don't rush it. Fast forward to today, and I've been cutting my hair for about 4 months now. Yes, this haircut, I did it myself. I have saved hundreds and gained a new skill, and I've even started to cut my kids' hair. So, is this one frugal or foolish? For me, I am going with frugal. What do you think? Is cutting your own hair frugal or foolish? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more frugal or foolish Fridays.